I came to my first performance at the Presidio Theatre to see Panto, and I fell in love with both the theater and Panto. I mean, what's not to like? Children and adults alike, I mean, it was just magical. The performances that I see here are really unique.
I was searching for a place to take my then 2-year-old, somewhere that felt fun and safe and vibrant for her. And I can't remember how I came across a flyer for Panto. It might have even been on a bus. And I was like, that's it, that's what we're gonna do. And watching how excited my kids are when we walk into the theater for the show, I love how it lights them up. And honestly, I love how much it lights me up and makes me kind of forget the world outside the theater.
Well, when I come to the theater, it feels local. It feels grassroots. It feels like my next door neighbors.
We certainly need to support the theater in terms of memberships, because ticket sales never cover everything. So if you love the theater, like I love the theater, then you'll do what I did, which is get out your checkbook and join as a member.